Is it worth it? We gon' see. Is it worth it? We gon' see. Is a MorpheMe Brush Subscription? Is it worth it? We gon' see. Hey y'all, hey, it's Miko, and this is On The Go with Miko. So today I decided to do an unboxing of the MorpheMe Makeup Brush Subscription. So I am a makeup enthusiast. I'm not a makeup artist, but I do love makeup. I really feel like makeup and watching YouTube makeup tutorials was something that really kind of helped me regain my confidence and things after I had my son. Because I just wasn't feeling like myself, and I was like, oh, I don't feel pretty, I'm fat, blah, blah, blah. You know how you kind of get into that thing if you've ever had a child. So makeup tutorials on YouTube, I feel like really kind of helped me get back into my groove thing. So Morphe is a makeup brush company that's based in LA. They were first known for their eyeshadows. They also have really bomb makeup brushes that are very affordable. They have several different lines. They have kits. And so as I was watching all the YouTube videos and things like that, I was learning and discovering that not only is the application important when you're doing makeup, but the brushes are equally important. And you don't have to spend tons and tons of money to get good quality brushes. So Morphe, for me, I love them for their brushes, even more than their eyeshadows, especially for affordable brushes. So anyway, I decided to join the MorpheMe subscription, the brush subscription. So basically every month you get a package in the mail. It's $19.99, I believe, and you get up to 5 makeup brushes valued up to $30. So it can be 3 brushes one month, it can be 5 brushes another month. But what's really cool is that it allows you to build your brush collection. If you don't have one, it's really great for makeup artists. Of course, I'm not a makeup artist. But if you don't have any brushes or good quality brushes or not sure where to start, the MorpheMe brush subscription is really cool because not only do they give you really awesome brushes, but they also come with these little pamphlets that kind of give you descriptions on how you can use them. They do a video tutorial using those brushes every month, so they really kind of cater it to the monthly theme or whatever. It's really cute. So anyway, I have racked up 4 months of MorpheMe brush subscription packages. I have not opened them, so I figured I'd do an unboxing with you so we can see them together. Let's see what they can do, and let me know what you think. Are you part of the Morphe brush subscription? Have you been looking for brushes? This is just something that kind of makes it easy, and they literally break it down for you so you know what to use, what brush for what type of application. But as you know, there are no rules in makeup either, so you can use it for whatever you want. Everybody has different eye shapes, blah, blah, blah. I'm blabbing, let's get to the unboxing. So they come in these little black packages that say MorpheMe, super cute. This is the December, so slay the holiday, super cute. So anyway, this one comes with 4 brushes. So there is the RG18, which is a round crease brush, the RG8 and RG6, which is a tapered powder brush and a flat buffer, and then the RG24, which is a blending fluff. So in this little pamphlet, and they have one for each month, they show you what the brushes look like, give a thorough description of what the brushes can be used for, and again, they do also do a tutorial video. So let's open up the brushes. So this was December, so they are really cute. Looks like they have a red, and of course, this is way behind because I've stacked them up. Let me take them out of the plastic really quick. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So they all have this cute red kind of theme going on, which was very cute for the holidays back then. So this one, this is the RG24, which is a blending fluffy brush. So you could use this in the crease or whatever you want to do. Then this one is the RG6. So this is the flat buffer. So I would use this for maybe applying foundation or maybe blending in a contour or something like that. So that is again the RG6. Then next we have the RG8. And this one is a tapered powder brush. So you can see it has a roundness to here, and the brushes are super soft. Oh my gosh, like, I love Morphe brushes. So this one, you can use it for maybe some blush, powder. It's a little small for me for a powder brush, but maybe blush for sure. Or yeah, whatever you want to use. And then the last one in the December MorpheMe subscription was the RG18. I don't know if you can see that. And this one is a round crease brush. So this one is a little bit more dense. So the denser the brush or the bristles, the more eyeshadow or product it will pack on, and it's rounded. So again, in the crease, lovely, lovely, lovely. So again, these are the brushes in the Morphe subscription for December of 2017. Super cute. All right, next one is for January 2018. So this one is New Year, New Me. This one has 3 brushes, and this one also included a 10% off coupon. Of course, that's expired by now, but this is the little insert that comes with it. Super cute. Again, they have a tutorial how to use these brushes. So January included the pointed powder brush, the G5, the deluxe foundation, G39, and the 1-inch flat contour, the G42. So let's open these bad boys up. Okay, so the G5 is the first one, the pointed powder. So set your base with silky pointed powder brush. G5. So this is the G5. I don't know if you can see that. So this has a tapered or pointed shape to it. So they say this is a powder brush. This is dense, it's pretty good. I love using huge powder brushes, so I would probably use this for blush, me personally. Or maybe brushing off excess powder underneath your eyes, whatever you want to use it, but this is the G5. Then they have the G39, which is a deluxe foundation brush, which is this one. This is, what do they call this? I forget the term. Not a makeup artist again. Let me see if it says duo fiber bristles. That's what it is. So liquid foundation for sure. So the duo fiber bristles, if I remember correctly, are supposed to kind of help blend and without like streaks and stuff like that. So that's what that one is, the G39. Again, G39. And then the G42, which is a 1-inch flat contour brush. So I like this one. I'm probably going to be using this one soon. So contour. So for the hollows of your cheeks, if you want to etch out them cheekbones, baby, this will get you set right. So that is January's subscription. The next, we have February. So MorpheMe February Cozy Up Bay. So that's what the front looks like. Can you see that? I know it's kind of bright. Probably can't see that. Okay, so this one comes with 3 brushes as well. Ooh, and these are all from the E line. The E line, which is the Elite line, is my personal favorite line from Morphe. So I'm excited to get some more E brushes, baby. Anyway, okay, so this is the insert. Again, it gives you the breakdown of what the brushes are, how to use them, and there is a tutorial with this lovely lady using the brushes. So the first one is the E23, which I feel like I own already, but it's okay. It's good to have doubles, triples of the same brush, especially if you love it. So if they're dirty, you don't have to worry about washing them immediately. This is the E23, so this is the Deluxe Blender brush. So blenders are really good. See, it's a fluffy, not too dense. It has that kind of flared out, so this will be good to blend, blend, blend your life away, baby, on the edges of your eyeshadow. So that's the E23. Let me see how excited makeup stuff makes me. Moving right along, the next one is the E. Well, you know what? This is interesting. So it says E50, the pointed highlight, but this says E61. I wonder if they changed. This is interesting though. Look how long those bristles are. Look at that. It is flared, not too thick. I guess you can still use it as a pointed highlight. Maybe they changed the numbers. That's weird, but either way, I will find use for it, trust me. And then the last one is the E34, which they say is a tapered blush brush. So this is the E34, and you see the taper there. Medium density, not too, whatever. So for your blush, honey. Yes, yes, yes. And then, I'm gonna put my phone on silent. Oops. Then the last one, hold on. You'll never guess what time it is I'm actually filming this video, but we're gonna keep going. So then the last one I have is for March 2018. And this is Feeling Lucky. So that's the front of it. Can you see that? Is it too bright? I don't know. So this one comes with 4 brushes from the Rose Gold collection. Yes, the R4, which is a Pro Angle blush, the R42, the Oval Shadow and Concealer, the R3 Precision Pointer Contour, and the R33, the Round Blender. So that's the inserts, if you can see that. Again, they do tutorials. Cool, that's a cute makeup look too. So the brushes. Oh, that's cute. All right, so this is the R4. If you could see that. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at that angle there. And then it has the rose gold bezel, which is super cute. So they're saying this is for blush. Definitely use it for blush. I have I think it's the no, I'm not gonna quote it because I know I'm gonna be wrong. But I have a brush that's angled for blush from the E line, and I love it. It's also angled like this. This one's a little bit smaller. I like it, I dig it. That is, again, the R4. Then we have the R42, which is an oval shadow and concealer brush. So you could use this brush, can you see that? Use this brush, it's oval, it's packed dense, so you can use it for eyeshadow on the lid, or you could also use it to apply concealer underneath the eyes. So cute, cute, cute. I love the rose gold bezels though, so pretty. And then next is the R3, which is a precision pointed contour. Oh, this is nice. Can you see that? The R3 Precision Contour. So long bristles that comes to that taper. As you can see, contour. This would be nice for like a powder contour, in my opinion. Yes. Love, love, love. R3. And then the last and final brush is the R33. Where's my scissors? I can't get it open. Which is the Round Blender brush. All right, so this is good. It's, as you can see, it's round like they said, round. It's dense. It's supposed to be able to blend out those harsh lines, honey. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, so as you can see, in every month subscription, I got 3 to 4 brushes. And within those months, I've gotten contour brushes, blush brushes, foundation, eyeshadow blenders, highlight. All of these brushes I got for, let's say, 4 months, so $80 bucks. If you go to MAC and try to get some makeup brushes, you let me know how many brushes you can give at $80. Maybe 2, 3, maybe if you just get eyeshadow brushes, like the basic of the basic. So for 80 bucks to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 brushes. You can't beat that with a stick, I'm sorry. So I am definitely a fan of the MorpheMe brush subscriptions. If you are someone who loves makeup, if you're a makeup artist, if you're a makeup enthusiast, if you want to build your collection, if you're not sure where to start, if you have a few brushes but are not really sure what you need, or you know you need something else or something better with some guidance, this subscription is really cool. You can cancel at any time. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in it to get signed up. If you use that link, you'll also get an extra free brush for your first month subscription. And like I said, they also include tutorials too with all the brushes every month. But anyway, that's all we have today on The Go with Miko. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be sure to see all of the videos that I upload. Hit the bell to be notified at the next upload. And if you love makeup, if you love makeup brushes, let me know. What's your favorite makeup brush line from Morphe? Have you used Morphe before? Do you hate Morphe? Do you prefer some other brand? Let me know in the comments below. If you like makeup tutorials, I will have a lot more coming. I do have a 10-minute drab to fab makeup tutorial. It will be linked in the iCard and in the description box below, so check it out. I put a lot of useful information there. If you like challenges, makeup challenges, I did a 10-minute makeup challenge with my mom and it is hilarious. Check it out. I will link it in the iCard and in the description box below. Other than that, thank you so much. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you in my tribe. And until then, bye-bye. Oh my goodness, my nose is running. Oh. Get that out. That's done. Okay. MorpheMe. Morphe.